This is our new product e-driver, which is used for prosthetic and orthodontic screw tightening. It is in the refined black box, and the name of the product is on it. You can see the Awesome logo here. When you open the case, you can find manual, e-driver, power cable, and cradle. Please don't forget to read the manual through before you use it. These are the components of e-driver. Power cable and the cradle will be connected to charge the battery. Normally, you can see the green light and it is changed into red while charging the battery. After recharging, you can use this approximately 1 hour. On the top, there is control angle head and it is easily separated by opening the neck part counterclockwise for disinfection. You can use the autoclave for 15 minutes only for this head part. When you use the e-driver, please move the e-driver body up and down or right and left only, and please do not bend or curve it. It's easy to grip since the body of e-driver is not too thick or thin. Now let me show you the power button in the middle of the body. When you press it over 3 seconds, it will be on. Vice versa, you can turn it off for pressing it over 3 seconds again. This red button has another function, which is to control the torque value. You will see the torque mark here. Torque value increases by 5 Newton-centimeter when you press the button, and the applicable torque value is from 5 Newton-centimeter to 35 Newton-centimeter. Now the direction button. This is set in clockwise, and you can change it into counterclockwise with this button. The reverse mark will be on the LCD. Now we are going back to the clockwise again for the demonstration. And this button has another function, which is auto-calibration. Calibration performs when this button is pressed longer than 2 seconds. In 3 seconds, calibration will be completed. Right next, speed control button. The lowest speed is 15 RPM and the highest is 60 RPM. When you press this button, it increases by 15 RPM at one time, and you can check the speed change on the top of the LCD. There are 2 operating buttons here on the top and the bottom. This white button is especially for the posterior area. Motor runs only when the button is being pressed. LCD panel displays current status and operation mode. You can check the information from speed, setting torque value, and even the real-time torque value, battery status, and the direction. Awesome e-driver's best features. Number 1. The motor handpiece stops automatically when the torque value is overloaded. Number 2. The speed control function shortens the time twice faster than manual control. Number 3. You will see the accurate torque and speed due to the motor from German maker. Number 4. 2 operating buttons are useful for the case of anterior and posterior area. I hope you enjoyed the simple and easy e-driver of Awesome.